Hi guys, I'm the low carb guy. Subscribe to my channel. So listen, are you like me? Are you searching for a bread with our low carb lifestyle that tastes good, that you can make in seconds? Now, if you're searching for recipes, you see coconut flour and almond flour used in the bread recipes. They're okay, but I needed something that tasted a little better and a little bit different. I bought a bag of cashew nuts. I put them in my Magic Bullet blender and I made cashew flour. Today's recipe is cashew breakfast bread. Of course, you could eat it for lunch or dinner if you'd like, but breakfast bread. In a mug, in a microwave, in 2 minutes in the microwave, and then grilled or toasted. And I think you're going to like this. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you all the steps and show you how I make it. I hope you enjoy it. This is cashew breakfast bread from the Low Carb Guy. It begins with 1 egg. By the way, you can use just an egg white if you choose. And 3 tablespoons of cashew flour. That's going to give you 9 carbs. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cheese. I'm using Monterrey Jack and cheddar. Add a ½ teaspoon of maple extract. And we're also going to add a little sweetener. You can use a ½ teaspoon of Swerve or sugar alcohol. I'm using simple syrup that I made from monk fruit and water. That's a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt as well if you desire. Now, stir. No, mix. No, stir and mix, just like that. And when it's all mixed together, push it down into the center of the cup and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. When it's finished, it's going to look like this. Take it out of the cup, cut it in half, and put it on a grill so you can grill it to make it crispy on the outside, or you can toast it. Today, I used it in an egg sandwich, bacon, egg, and cheese. And that's my recipe for low carb cashew breakfast bread. I hope you stop back and visit my channel again, thelowcarbguy.com. I wish you luck with your low carb lifestyle. It gets easier every day, doesn't it?